replace my Honda Pilot 2015 headlights from the stock to the LED one. Let's go and do it. Lens covers are pretty dull. After I replace it, I will do some cleaning, but that's going to be in another video. Right now I am going to just replace the LED. So I got these LED lights from Amazon. Actually, I had to replace 2 of them. So this one had good reviews, so there are a couple of them. One is headlight, the other one is regular light. So let's 2 lights. Sometimes you can replace only one. So I have LEDs 2 here. That about 2 more LEDs. I have 4 LEDs to be replaced. On the left side, it's you don't have to remove anything to access the lights. It's a little congested, but you could do that without removing anything. On the right side, it's crowded, but you got to take these 2 things out, and the air intake, it's only these 2 plugs. If you have a flat screwdriver or another gadget, you can take them out, but yeah, once you take them out, you can access right side. So I'm going to try to show you where the bulbs are. Don't know if you can see that. So this is the bulb. That right there. See my fingers pointing? This is the bulb. Just hold it, turn left, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Left, that one, and there's another one here. This guy. The other one. I'm going to take the first one out. Just hold it and twist it left. So I got this thing out. So I unplug this one. To take the bulb out, just got to press this clip and pull the black part out. Black part is the bulb. Once you press this one, you should be able to pull this thing out. You're gonna have to use 2 hands. One hand to press this one, the other one to take it out. You may try with 1 hand, but it's a little tricky. You don't want to break the bulb. So I'm gonna take that one out. Okay, we replace this one. I'm going to replace the other one. This is a little tricky to access. All I have to do is hold it. It's a little tight and make a lefty. Okay, it's a little hard. All right, got that one. Okay, got it. There you go. And I take the other guy, the new LED. This is the regular bulb, and this is the LED. So I'm gonna put the LED in. It's easier angle. Okay, got the grip. Oh, okay. Oh, that was easy. All right, I got both the bulbs in, and let's go to the other one. Right side. I got the left side one changed. We're going to do the right side. For this one, I need to take this air intake, only the top one. These 2 went out, and this will come out, and I have. If you have this tool, it's better. You can get them from Amazon for, I don't know, $5-6. If not, you can use a flat screwdriver. You're gonna have to use 2 flats to get that. Once I do that, I don't have to remove that. Just put it on the side for now. Then we can access the bulbs. A little tight out there, so I'm going to use this plier to gently loosen it a little bit to see if I can take it out. But yeah, be careful not to break the light or any connectors. Those are fragile, and this is not recommended. Press this pin got the bulb out. New LED. All right, clicked. Then all right, so we got this one done, and we got one more to go, and then we replaced all 4 headlights after that. So I push this clip with one hand. Pull with the other hand. I got this guy out. And I have to replace with the LED. My LED guy. And so we got all lights replaced. 2 LED on the right and 2 LED on the left. All these old bulbs are out. We're just gonna close it up now.